What's going on? It's Asset Police badge number 824. Where them credit scores, Ds, LOCs, investment portfolios, where they at? I'ma keep it real. I ain't feeling it today, man. I'm about to go in right now. It's just things that have been brought up to my attention that I feel like I need to air out or express myself. I typically, with Asset Police, try to school y'all with some shit. And let me back up a little bit. But if you're PG-13, this ain't for you. Turn it off. But you rated R? This shit is about to be rated R. Explicit language coming towards you. I just don't understand lazy people. I can't relate to y'all. And I understand we in the pandemic. I understand, the pandemic has caused many people to lose their jobs and has been a financial struggle. I understand all that and I sympathize with all that. And some are harder than others, where there's some people that got hit harder than others during this pandemic. I understand. But if 2020 or 2021 is not making a hustler out of you, fuck out of here, bro. Nobody want to hear that shit. Don't become a victim. Don't play that victim card. I don't want to hear that shit. Don't tell me you can't work because of the pandemic. Okay, I get it. You lose your job. Understand. Respect. I understand that. Sympathize with that. Get it. But, shit. Sell some shit on eBay. Fucking hustle. Figure it out. Because there's other people that are doing it. There's other people hustling. Yo, I just can't. 2020 and 2021 should be teaching everyone a lesson. Hustle. Find the hustle. If they take one thing away from you, cool, find another. I just can't relate to that shit, man. I can't relate to laziness. And not necessarily laziness, it's just more accepting the situation. Don't fucking accept the situation. Don't accept the coronavirus shit. Don't accept that shit. Fuck that. Go out there, find something. There's Uber Eats, there's fucking Amazon, there's eBay, there's these e-commerce, start your own website. You can do this shit from working from home. I just don't get it. My bad, y'all. Am I bugging out? Let me know. Am I bugging out? Am I wrong? Am I speaking facts or not? Let me know, because I'm trying to understand. I just can't relate to certain shit. Let me know if I'm wrong. Asset Police badge number 824. My bad, y'all. I'm a little hot. Peace.